Okay, in this video I will show you how to install WordPress. Go to your cPanel, and when I click on cPanel, it's loading your control panel where you can control your website. And right over here we are on the cPanel, and we are going to scroll down a little bit for the WordPress installer. So right over, let me think, right over there. Okay, there is it. Double click on it, and you see that I have a lot of WordPress installations because I love WordPress. I hit the installation button again, and right over here I select my primary domain, and here you must keep this empty, but this is just for the course, so I enter Brizy course because the course is about Brizy. And I will scroll down and enter here my admin username and my password. I changed it after I do this, so, and right over here I'm going to click on install. And it's loading right now, and we will wait until the installation is done. So WordPress is a really good system to build websites with. You don't need any coding experience. That's the good part of it. So we can create the websites in minutes, and you can do everything with WordPress, from a small blog to up to a social network. So it's great. Okay, so it's still installing. I didn't skip the video. And we will wait until the installation is loaded, and we go to the control panel. So I click on the control panel, on the link. Okay, that's great. You successfully installed WordPress on your web server. That's a good milestone. So I really appreciate that you're watching my videos. If you're thinking about leaving a review, I should appreciate it. A honest review. So I will see you soon.